Hello from Top Banana in Tetbury. What is today's item? It's actually very heavy and very dense. Now, it does depend probably what you've been doing the night before, but personally, I think it looks very much like a whale's head, or maybe even a sort of dolphin, or even some maybe extrapolated goat, I'm not sure. Personally, I think more like a whale. I think it looks very sort of dolphin-esque here. And it actually is three-dimensional. It could do from having a stand made for it. Forgive the ums. It's £180 on www.topbananaantiques.com. I think it's a charming, lovely thing. It's a decent size, probably about 28 to 30 inches and about a foot high, times by 2.54 centimetres to an inch for you younger viewers. Do have a splendid day.